Exercise, replacing Bools. The following struct describes a type of enemy in a game. So we have struct enemy type. So let strength get an integer, let speed be an integer also, let weapon be a bool. As your game has developed, you've decided that your enemies might have more than one type of weapon. Exercise. Define an enum to represent the weapons an enemy might have: none, sword, rubber mallet, and so on. Change the struct definition to use your new enum instead of a bool. So we're going to make a new enum, and it's going to be a weapon. And sword. And these are separated by commas. None. So now we just have three. So it's not a bool, it's not weapon, yes or no, true or false, it's weapon, sword, rubber mallet, or none. So then we need to change our weapon type to our enum. So our weapon type is now weapon. And that's it for this one.